Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to scan receipts data in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? But it's simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now through here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to scan receipts data in FreshBooks. Now, you will not be able to scan receipt data in FreshBooks right in the desktop application, right? But you can do that using your mobile application. Now, the desktop application is almost the same thing as the mobile application. All right, so for the desktop application, if you head over to the left navigation panel, you're going to see the expenses tab. So if you click on expenses, it's going to open you right to this expenses. So you can add new expense by clicking on new expense and following through the prompt to add your expenses. Okay, so here you can add an expense assigned to client, you can make recurring, or you can add currency. So just add your new expense, the category, the description. They say drag receipts / image or select a file, but there's no option for you to scan. Okay, but then in your mobile device, that's the mobile application, at the bottom corner of the home page, you're going to find the expense tab. So go ahead and click on the expense tab, and once you click on the expense tab, go ahead and click on new expense. Once you click on new expense, you're going to see an option for you to upload receipts, and just at the right corner of your screen, you're going to see the camera icon in there once you get into the expense tab. So click on expense and new expense, then click on the camera icon that you find at the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you click on that, go ahead and scan the receipt data into FreshBooks. So that's pretty much the process. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.